What's up, dunks? Welcome back to Sudoku Jouet. My name is Sudoku. Today we're doing Habit Forming Alt version by James Sinclair from Artisanal Sudoku Volume 198. All right, we have normal Sudoku rules apply. We have diagonal, we have cages, region sum, and quad circles. Okay, so we have normal Sudoku rules 1 to 9 every row, column, and 3 by 3 box. This light blue line that's a diagonal has to have 1 to 9 as well. Cages, so the digits in these dotted lines have to sum to the total in the top left with no repeat. So these three are 10, 10, 6, 8, read and sum. So these blue lines have to have the same sum in each region. So the 3 by 3 box, this thick black line separates a region so that these would be the same, this and that have the same sum. Quad circles, so this right here, this white circle with 4 digits, these digits have to be in the surrounding 4 squares. So these 3 are here, these 3 are there, this one is in one of those 4, etc., etc., etc. Okay, that's all we got. Oh, that was a long one, 56 seconds. Okay, we're gonna restart the timer and get going. So all of these, first thing I see is all these region sums have the same, they're only 1 digit each. So these are gonna be the same. These are going to be the same. Those are the same. Same digit, I should say. These are all the same digits. Next thing I see is that's a 3. Now this 1 cannot be in this box, and it cannot be in this box. Then this 1 cannot be in this box or in this box. So this is going to be here or here, and then this is going to be here or here. No. Wait, is that accurate? Yes. Okay, so where's the 1 going to be on the diagonal? It can't be in this box. It can't be in this box, so it has to be in this box. And it can't go here or here, so we know that this has to be the 1. And then this is going to be a 2, because that's the only digit that is shared on both of the quad circles. This is going to be a 4, 6, 8. This is now 4, 7, 8, and then those 2 digits are going to be the same. Okay. Okay, what else do we see? 5, 7, 9. Okay, 6, there's only one option, which is a 1, 2, 3. And we can place that. So that's a 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be a 2. That's a 6, that's a 3, and a 7. All right, there we go. We got something going. So then 3s will be up here. Actually, that's a 1, 3 because of that. So it's a 1, 3. This is no longer 1. This is a 1. Okay, so 4, 7, 8 is going to be here, but this is going to be the same. So that these are basically palindromes. Well, actually, that one's not, but the rest of them are basically palindromes. So this is now a 4 or an 8. Because the 7 would see that, and these would be the same sums. Okay. Then I'm going to do 4, 6, 8. So then 7s are here. And I'm just going to do 5 and 9. Four, 5, 8, and 9. This is now a 1, 2 pair because of these, which removes that as a 1, so places this. And we can do pencil mark 1s there. And then pencil mark 1s here. That can't be a 1, so this is a 1 now. Okay. Those ones, so this isn't 1, this is. So do we know where 1 is up here? Can't be here or here. So 1s are going to be in there. 5, 7, 9. Okay. Okay, so hang on a minute. Where's the 7 on the diagonal? 7 has to be here and here, so that's not on the diagonal. This isn't on the diagonal, so it has to be in this one, so we can place this as a 7. So this is now a 5-9 pair. Good. So we know that 5 could be on here, but a 9 can't, so 9 would be here or here. 7s are now down there. Okay, so do we, oh, this is a 2, which pencil marks the 2's here. This cannot be a 2 because those are all the same sums, so that would be the 2. All right, which puts the 2's here and here. Similarly, this cannot be a 2 because it sees that, so this is the 2, which places, pencil marks the 2's here, and then we need 2's there. Can't be there, so it's going to be here. Okay, so then I can remove the 2's. So this is going to be a 1, 3, 6, or 1, 4, 5. Either way, this is a 1. So then I can do 3 and 1. So that's going to be a 2, 1, 2. This can no longer be a 3 in either one, so this is going to be a 4, 5 pair. Okay, and 4 on the diagonal, where's the 4? Can't go here or in this box. So 4 is either going to be here or here. Yeah. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. 4, 5, 8, 9. This is a 3. So then places a 3 here because it can't go there. So then this can't be a 3, so this is the 3. And I can do this. This won't be a 3, so this is a 3. And finishes off the 3's there. Okay, 3's are done. Good. Can I move forward with 4's? 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. So we know 4's are up there. Okay. Okay, so 5 on the diagonal is either here, here, or here, because it can't be on this one. So if it's, let's say it's here. No, say it's here. This is 5. Then in this box, it has to be here, which puts 5's there. So then that would have to be a 4, and then that would have to be a 5. So that's not going to work. So this cannot be a 5. This is now a 9. And then that's a 5. So we can pencil mark the 5's here. And then we can pencil mark 9's here. Okay, and 9's here. So 5's will be up there, which pencil marks the 5's down here. This is now a 4, 5, 6, 8 quad. And then this is a 5, 6, 9. So the 9 cannot go here. So then we can place the 9's. Place a bunch of 9's now. Lovely. Then I can pencil mark 9's here, but I can actually place the 9 there, which places there, there, okay. And this is a 9. So 9's are done as well. Lovely, okay. So this is now a 4, 5, 8. So I'm just gonna pencil mark the 4 and the 8, which means 4 has to go up here, 2, 3. This is also a 4, 5, 8. So this will be a 6, 7. So that 6 is gone. And then this is a 5, 6. 4, 7, 8, 5, 6. Okay. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as well. Okay, so 7s are going to be here, which places the 7 there. And then I can pencil mark 7s up here. So then 7s will be there. And this is a 6, 7, 8 triple. 4, 5, 6, and 8. Oh, this is a 5. There it is. 4, that's 5. That's also a 5, so that's going to be a 4. So then we can do 8, 5, 4. So that's a 4 as well. Delete the 4s. Delete that 5. So this is going to be a 6, 5. So then we can finish a bunch of stuff over in here now. Maybe not a bunch. 4, 8, 7, 7. Actually, yeah, a little bit of a bunch. That's a 4, 8 pair. So this will be a 5. 6, 8 pair. So this will also be a 6, 8 pair, but we see the 6. So this is now an 8. That's a 6. 8, 6. Delete these 6s. I can place this as a 6. Okay, and this is an 8. No, 8. So this will now be a 4. No, that's not what I meant. This is a 4. So that's a 4. 8, 8, 4. 8 as well. 7, 8, 7. 1, 2, 3. This is a 6, 4. 2, 3, 4. I got a 5 here. That's a 6. Place this as a 7. Oh, could have placed that before. 4. This will be an 8. And then we need a 6 and a 5. Ooh, 1031. That was fast for the third puzzle. I did use the alt version, so maybe next time I'm going to try the tougher version, the non-alt version.